Hi, first grade teachers. This is Katie Ness, and I'm going to do a quick overview of the Grade 1 Unit 7 TechLit recipe card. Right now on my screen, I have pulled up the digital version of this card. This can be found at Staff Central under the Technology tab in Elementary. If you go there, all of the TechLit recipe cards are linked on the right-hand side. And in the left-hand side, you can find helpful tools for you, including the K2 QR code request form, and other tech resources, images for your classroom, for references for students. On this recipe card, in Unit 7, students are using Wondering to help them make sense of expository nonfiction, specifically with animals. This recipe card focuses on using PebbleGo and Mayan to learn more about land, water, and air animals. In Mayan, you will be creating projects to support your students. You'll be able to pre-select books that fall into one of those three categories: land, water, or air animals. You can decide if you want one project with all of those books in it, or if you would like to do 3 separate projects focusing on each of those categories. On the bottom of each of the digital versions of the recipe cards, I include links that will support you in doing the above activity. So for example, there's a link on how to create Mayan projects. If you go to that link, it's going to walk you through step by step with screenshots of how to create. There is also a link on how to assign it to your students. You can also share projects with your coworkers. So for example, if you each do a project or create a project, you can share it with each other so that you're not doing more work. And finally, there's a link for the animal article list in PebbleGo. This is a list of all pets, animals, reptiles, anything that you're going to find in PebbleGo relating to animals, including the habitats that they have articles on. All of this is found on the digital version of the Grade 1 Unit 7 recipe card.